Hello children, how are you? I hope all are fine at home. Listen children, today I am going to teach you the first poem of your class 4th. That is English, the first lesson. So before going to the poem children, just recall about the nature. Do you know what is nature? What do you find in the nature children? Yeah, we find trees, mountains, hills, sky, clouds. Yes, in the sky what do we see? In morning time sun, in night time stars and moon. So, here is the first poem for you about the nature. See here, can you see here? The picture is here. Here is the little girl. So, she is like fairy. The girl is a fairy. So, what the girl is doing here? She is painting something. What do you find in the picture? Clouds, colorful rainbow, mountains, grass, trees, flowers, etc. Here, the first poem for you it is I want to fly. Do you know children what is fly? Fly means the movement through the air. The movement through the air. So, just listen. Here the poet. The poet might be a girl, she or he. Okay. So, I just considered here as a poet. The poet wants to fly. See, if the poet had fly, so what the poet wanted to do? Let us study here. See, if I had a pair of wings with which to fly, I would soar straight away up into the sky. I would carry a brush and paint in colors bright, so I could paint every fluffy cloud in sight. I would paint them purple and yellow and green. They had be the prettiest you have ever seen. I would paint rainbows in the sky every single day, so I can watch them when I work and play. And when the moon and the stars come out at night, perhaps I will paint them too for my delight. See children, here the poet want to fly. If the poet had a pair of wings, see if the poet had a wings, what the poet would do, what the poet had done there, let us see. See children, this is a short form of had or would. And here also the short form of they had, we can pronounce this as they had or they would. Here this is you have. I would, I had. You can use it as a had also or would also. But better to use here as a would. So this is, you just see here, the short form of I will. Okay, see here children. If I had, what the poet is imagining, it's himself or herself that what she or he would do if he had a pair of, means here the given things. See, if I had a pair of wings, see if the poet had a pair of wings with which to fly. See, if we have a wings, have you seen children the birds fly? How do the birds fly? With the help of wings. I would soar straight away up into the sky. See what the poet is saying. The poet is imagining himself that he would soar straight away. So means he would fly straight away, fast fly straight away. Where? Up into the sky. I would carry a brush. See, the poet would, when the poet flies up into the sky, he would carry a brush. What he wants to take with him? He wants to take a brush and paint in colors bright. See what he wants to do? He wants to paint as a dark bright colors with colors, bright colors he want to paint up in the sky. So I could paint every fluffy cloud inside. See, have you seen here? The poet here in the figure has given the clouds. The poet wants to paint these clouds, fluffy clouds, means the smoky clouds in dark color, in a dark color. I would paint them purple. See what the poet wants to do here? The poets want to paint the cloud as a purple, yellow and green. They had be the prettiest you have ever seen. See, if the poet would paint these clouds with yellow, purple and green, it looks very prettiest. Yes, very prettiest. So that you have ever seen, you have never seen at all. It looks that much prettiest in the sky. I would paint rainbow in the sky. See what he wants to paint. He wants to paint the rainbow. The poet wants to this. The poet is imagining himself that the girl. Here the girl. He wants to, the poet. Here the poet is a girl. She wants to paint a rainbow. What she wants to do? She wants to paint a rainbow here. Every single day. See, every single day means every day she wants to paint a rainbow. So I can watch them when I work and play. See, the poet can watch them when the poet is at work and play. If the poet is at work also, the poet can watch the rainbow, colorful rainbow. And the poet when the girl plays down, she can watch up in the sky the colorful rainbow. And when the moon and the stars come out at night, see what do we see at night, children? We see moon, star in the sky. So the poet, if the girl, when she sees the moon and star up in the sky, perhaps I will paint them too. See that the moon and stars also the poet wanted to paint here. The girls want to paint. For what self? For my delight. Delight means for her happiness. For the girl's happiness, she wants to paint the moon, the stars in the sky. I hope, children, have you got the point what I have explained you and about the poet that I want to fly.